most unfortunate situation exists in the West Bengal is concerned. Every constitutional right of us, right under Article 19(1)(c), is breached. How there can be a rule of law in West Bengal is concerned? If a government cannot maintain a rule of law, he should not remain for a single day even. If the opposition party is not allowed to speak against them, they should not be allowed to remain. And you can see what is happening at Delhi against these cockroach Janata Party. Young boys they are performing a great job in the country. Now, we are here, the Mamata Banerjee is present here. She has come for last 30 minutes before when the information has gone to her that this hooliganism is going on in front of this program, in front of Birla Taramandal. We are appealing to the peoples of the Bengal and the peoples of the country itself. Kindly take note of the barbaric attitude of the government of the West Bengal, more especially the Chief Minister Shubhendu Adhikari himself. This is being indulged. This is being done at the behest of this Shubhendu Adhikari Chief Minister. Because this constituency and the people, the miscreants who have come and wanted to destroy the whole stage and other things all belong to his constituency itself. Therefore, we can conclude that. We can come into the conclusion that at the behest of the Shubhendu Adhikari it is being done. And Rakesh Singh and others. We are here, but we do not know what is going to be happen after 1 hour. We do not know whether we are going to be assaulted or not. We do not know whether any of us will be murdered by the BJP people or not. I am appealing to the peoples of the country itself. Please take care about the incidents of the West Bengal is concerned, West Bengal law and order. It is being deteriorated like anything. Main opposition, Mamata Banerjee is not allowed to go anywhere. Main opposition, Mamata Banerjee is not allowed to speak anywhere. Even we as the MP cannot perform our parliamentary function in our constituency because of the hooligans of the Bharatiya Janata Party and these police who remain idle. Sometimes I feel that police has become not a public servant but become Shubhendu Adhikari's own servant in the state of West Bengal is concerned. Therefore, I will request every one of this country to see how the law and order have been deteriorated. Thank you for watching us. Again, we will come up in the life if it is required. But we do not know whether we will be assaulted or not.